Welcome to Gomera's Garage. What we have here is 2011 OD Q7. We're going to remove the fuel injector, but obviously we don't have the tools, so we're going to make our own DIY tool for this. If this is interest you, stay tuned. And also, if this video helpful, please consider to subscribe, like, and share, so we can grow this channel, and hopefully we can help more people. So let's just keep going. And this is a bolt and nut out of Honda Civic strut suspension, on the front strut suspension, and it turned out to be the same thread with the fuel rail of this vehicle. So as you can see here now, just perfectly fit there, right? So I'm going to use the nut of this nut as the puller nut, and you will see in a minute. And this is the puller I have. This puller was supposed to be only for a GDI engine, which is those are small injector that really is very easy to pull out with this tool. But I don't think this tool will also work, but it's a little bit hard to do it. But for the demonstration purposes, I will just show you how I make the tool, and eventually on the end I make a bigger puller. So here's the nut. As you can see, we're going to need another nut to fit onto this bolt here, and then weld it together. So we have two bolts, and sorry, we have two nuts welded together as a one piece, so we can adapt this tool to the injector. And here's the nut. I cut the edge because it's obviously a big nut, so I cut the edge so that it will fit perfectly into the injector. And here it is. So here's the final product, as you can see here. Let me clean it a little bit. Now make sure you don't get dirt, make sure there's no dirt get into the injector. And let's try to put it in. And it's just screwed there perfectly. Just perfect, right? And now here is our tool and the nut, right? So we're going to weld this together, as you can see here, right? So here it is, just a spot weld. You don't really need to weld the whole thing. And here it is. It's not a beautiful weld in the world, but it does the job. So here it is. I did a little bit of cleaning, and let's see if it works. Here it is. Now we're going to put the bolt with the hammer, or the slide hammer right here. And that's it, right? And that's how it should be. So now, again, because this is too small for this injector, so I made a bigger one, right? So here's the big one I did. So I put another knot, so there's all three nuts there all together to adapt to put the another. I have this rod with thread on it, and so I found a knot for this and weld it together, and this is what it looked like. And I'm using the um, slide hammer for the wheel bearing or hub, because it's heavy duty, and this is should just pull this injector enough, like good. But even with this hammer, it still take a little bit of time. But as you can see now, it's coming out. Right? There it is. And this injector is really dirty. Those black spot there is a carbon buildup. So thank you for watching.